y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video we will be cleaning out the kids' bedrooms and their bathroom and the hallway. I decided that the best way to spring clean my home is to just divide my home into sections. So I think last week's video I did my bedroom and my bathroom, and now I am working in the kids' bedrooms and their bathroom and then the hallway. And then I think the following week I'll go over to the living area and the dining area. I just have to keep doing this in sections because I work full-time, so it is very crazy. I don't have time to do a lot, so yeah. But I also put in a Thrive Market order that I wanted to share with you guys. I did not get a lot. This was my first time ordering from them. I also ordered from Sola. Sola is a keto bread, and I ended up getting some bagels. Oh my gosh, you guys, they are so good. I used to eat bagels before I went on keto, and oh my gosh, you guys, one bagel can have about 40 grams of carbs, and that is ridiculous. But anyways, I share that in the video, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into the video.
Walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here
Alright guys, so I'm coming to you from the bedroom because my washer's going, the dryer's going, the dishwasher's going, and then the ice maker, just too much noise in that kitchen, and I always sound very echoed when I film in the kitchen. So I decided to bring this box to the room, but I placed a order on Thrive Market, and oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. So let me show you what I got. I got these flackers. So I have bought these before off of Amazon. They are so good, but this flavor right here I have never tried before, so I went ahead and ordered 2 of these. If you don't like flax seeds, this might not be for you. This is an acquired taste, so I like flax seeds. I put it in yogurt, or if I mix like a smoothie, I put that in there. So, or like my keto oatmeal. So yeah. I got actually 2 of those, and then I got this flavor. This one's actually my favorite. I eat this with cream cheese or just a piece of cheese. Yeah, you can eat it with anything, peanut butter, whatever you like. But like I said, this is definitely an acquired taste. And then I got these. I find I can get these at Publix, but I've never seen this one at Publix, or at least my Publix, this pink Himalayan sea salt. So I wanted to go ahead and try it. So I picked up this. This one, this is sea salt. So you can see I really like these. I think these are really, it's a good crunchy snack. If you're on keto, like right now, I would really like to go eat a bag of chips or something, but this is what I replace it with, as far as a crunchy texture. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't mean I don't eat chips. I'll eat it here and there, but I won't eat it, sit and eat a whole bag of chips. The next thing I got was coconut amino sauce. So a lot of people use this. They replace soy sauce with this, and there's a lot of keto recipes that call for coconut aminos. So I went ahead and just bought it off of there. I've seen it at Publix. Publix sells theirs for about $8 or $9. This on Thrive Market, I think was like $5. So I don't know. Well, we're gonna try it and see what it tastes like. And the next thing, so this is not from Thrive Market, you guys. This is from a website. This is Sola bread. This is keto friendly, 7 net carbs, and I got the everything flavor bagels, and I ordered 2 packs. This is it. Now, let me just say, these are very expensive. There's 4 in a pack. They're about $8, $8.49, I think it was. But they always have a sale going on. But yeah, I got 2 packs of these. I've seen these all over YouTube, all over Instagram. Everybody raves about them. And I personally used to eat bagels all the time, for breakfast. But I mean, bagels some of them are loaded with like 40 or 50 grams of carbs just for one bagel. So this only has 7 net carbs. And I think I've had 2 of these already from the bag in the refrigerator. I've had it for breakfast. My husband actually, he tasted it. He liked them, and I love these things. And they're awesome because I can have my bread and not feel completely horrible after eating a bagel. So yeah, but I just wanted to pause and kind of show you that really quick. Just some keto friendly options for y'all. If you're on keto or any type of other like paleo or anything like that, plant-based, Thrive Market they have a lot of options to choose from as far as snacks and food. But yeah, but that's it. So we're going to go ahead and get back to the cleaning. All right, guys, so I finished both bedrooms. Here, I just want to explain this to y'all. So I found this in my son's closet. They were up at the top, so I'm assuming all these 7 pairs of jeans do not fit him. I found this shirt still in a bag, which I'm pretty sure does not fit him and is not his style anymore. And then I found these. This is what came out of the laundry. So this is all clean clothes that he has to put up. And then this over here is clothes that he has to go through for us to either donate or pass on to my stepson or my husband's nephew, whichever. And then this right here. So we went to Belk the other day and he got him some Levi's and he tore off the tag because he wanted to put them on, but there is a tag. When we walked out of the store, it never went off. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how that happened, but I have to go back to Belk. So I told them to just leave it here. I have my receipt. We'll take it back and they can take that off. And then I just cleaned up a little bit here. I had already cleaned his ceiling fan, so that is not on camera because he suffers from really bad allergies. So I do clean it on a regular basis, so that does not need any cleaning. And then I just kind of wiped down his furniture here. And then I ended up using Febreze in both bathrooms. I emptied out that bottle, so that was back in the fall when they had the pumpkin spice scent. So that's gone and done. But both bedrooms smell like pumpkin spice. So yeah, now we are going to head off into their bathroom, and I think I'm going to call it a day because I have other stuff that I have to do today. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it is raining outside today. It is pretty gloomy out there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the bathroom and let's see if I have time to do maybe the living room. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, guys, this bathroom is clean. It was super gross, super nasty. This is the kids' bathroom. Oh my gosh. Whew. But I cleaned this bathtub, but I left it soaking in that Power wash. So I will come back to that later. Look how nasty it is outside, you guys. But anyways, I cleaned all this. The baseboards I had cleaned a while back, or not a while back, but maybe last week. I had to change out the soap dispenser, so I had this one left over from like the holidays. So I'm just going to leave that there for them. Their soap dispenser is the little, what is it? That little attachment part right here. I forget what it's called. I'm like drawing a blank. But anyways, it's rusty. So every time they pump, it just, this like brown stuff comes out from the inside because it's just all messed up. So that's the only defective one we have in the house, because I have one in the kitchen and in our bathroom and they're perfectly fine. So I swapped it out. I'm going to have to get another one. I still haven't gotten one. So I did find this. So they're gonna have to use that for now. But everything else is pretty clean. What I think I'm going to do next is come out here and clean these baseboards, and maybe their doors, this door and then this door and maybe that door. That door is our attic upstairs. But I think I noticed, I saw something down here that I want to clean, so I didn't have to clean the baseboards in the kids' bedrooms because I had already done that, but I never filmed that. But yeah, so nothing, I don't have to do baseboards here, but I do want to clean like along all this right here, maybe mop. So, and then maybe those baseboards going down the hall. I might just do all this. That is trash. I have to throw that out. and go all the way down and maybe like into my room, and then kind of like come across and just kind of do this section and then leave the other section of the house for another day. So let's see, let's go ahead and attempt to do some of this stuff.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout.
All right, y'all, that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.